Open your eyes and look around. How far can you see? A different point of view can make the difference. So, we think that you can see more than you can actually see. This is ALARIC, an incredible UAV that can become your eye in the sky. It has a 45 km/h cruise speed, high-efficient airfoil and a low-consumption engine, a 300-meter flight height, and a reduced size allowing an easy manipulation. It can also be detached and stored easily. What can ALARIC do for you? It can keep an eye on different places and situations: traffic control, industry surveillance, fields and forest, animal protection, and all you can imagine for a low price. All you have to do is personalize ALARIC according to your needs, with different cameras to choose from: HD, night vision, thermographic and more, all up to 1.5 kg payload. Flying ALARIC is very easy. Open the app, trace the route, validate and make it fly. You can control it with your PC, laptop, tablet and smartphone, all with a range of 40 km extendable depending on the mission, and achieving an 8-hour flight time, an entire night. Easy and simple. ALARIC, the eye in the sky.